calculator?
Yes.
Go
ahead, go grab it.
Go in there.
Run, yogurt, run. Alright, I put these in a really specific order for you. Okay? So, why is y-intercept first?
Y-intercept first is Y.
Well, that's the reason for why.
What standard is this called? Do you know what form this is called?
Quadratic. No, it's...
They're all quadratic.
Cubic.
Standard. This is that, you already said, you're right. This is standard.
Yeah.
So why would you put X?
Standard or general form. Okay? You do need to know which form is which. Okay? Because if they ask your final answer to be in a certain form, you need to know what form that is. Alright? So, what should your y-intercept look like? Should it be a number? Should it be an equation? Should it be a coordinate? What should it be?
It should be for... Hmm?
No.
What is the y-intercept? Is it an equation?
Yeah. No.
It's a coordinate. So your final answer needs to be a coordinate. Okay? Final answer needs to be a coordinate. Do you remember what the coordinate is? If it's your y-intercept, what do you know about the coordinate already?
A and
You know what x is? What's that? 0, right? Do you remember what letter we can grab to just get your answer here? Oh,
Y.
okay. Do you remember what to put this? What are the letters that go in standard form? This is C. Remember, this is ax squared plus bx plus c. Yeah? So what is your actual answer here? 0 what? 27. Not too shabby? What about opening direction? You're looking at A. Is it positive or negative? And what is it in this one? It's positive, so my opening direction is up. So your actual answers for this are either going to be up or down. Those are your possible answers. Make sense? Not too bad? Okay. Can I speak to the next one? You need a second? Alright. What if we are looking for factored form? What does factored form look like? Is it a coordinate? Is it an equation? Is it words? What is it?
Coordinate. It's like, I'm kidding, it's an equation.
It is an equation.
I can write that, I guess. I'm really awful.
That's okay.
No,
First day back. You'll get into it.
it's okay, Alana. You got this. Because that's because you've been dancing your brains out.
What letters do you want to choose for these? It doesn't matter. Hmm? Q and R. Whatever makes you happy.
No,
Doesn't
B
matter
and
what letters
B
they are.
and B.
Okay. 3 and 7. So you can solve this obviously by factoring.
3 times 7 is 21.
If you want to use the box method, you can. Okay. Do you want to do box method, or you want to do just good old
Box.
Wait, 3 times 7 is 21.
Brown Jones. No, that's employee.
So we've got x squared, we've got 27, and we need numbers. 1 times 27 is 27. So what numbers multiply to give us 27, but add up to give us a negative 10? 9 times 3. That doesn't work. What else?
That's it.
No, it's not it.
27. I wanted to tell you that you can't, I don't know what I want. I'm right. You know I'm right.
Yeah, you're thinking that we did it wrong.
You know, it's the way you did it. I mean, the equation, you can't do no other one.
What does that mean?
No, yeah. I got what I'm saying, I'm right. I can't even find no exams for it.
Six. Oh.
Means it's not nice numbers. That's what it means. It means it's not nice numbers.
Okay. What means that?
Ah, this is what happens when I. We're gonna make this number 11 and make it work. We're gonna do ones like that, and then you're gonna use the quadratic formula. But we're not there yet.
You mean 12?
No,
Or
they
12?
not. Cause that's 11.
9 plus 3 is 12.
If it's gonna be negative, though, what do you know?
Yeah.
So if it's gonna be a negative 12, though, what is this gonna be? They're both gonna have to be negative. Negative 9, negative 3x. All right.
Miss Holly,
Yes.
when is 2011?
Yeah.
Thank you. Never mind.
Someday we'll go back to actually knowing what's going on. Forgot. All right, factor these out. What do you get?
Negative. Where are you starting? Negative 9.
Never mind, you go ahead. I'll let you continue that.
Negative 9. X and negative 3.
So our actual factored form here is y equals x minus 9, x minus 3.
No.
Cool? What are the other names for zeros?
Zeros. Please let me say it. Please let me say it.
Okay, anyone.
X. Never mind.
X what?
Yeah. Can you not call me dumb, please? Because I was just trying to figure out. I called you dumb and you can't figure it out. You did call me dumb.
What is the other word for zeros? So you're gonna see. Trees grow. Okay. Those are all the different words that you will see. What should these look like? Is it going to be an equation? Is it going to be a number? Is it going to be coordinate? Is it going to be words? It's going to be coordinates. You should have 2 of them. What do you already know about them? How do we solve for these? That's with vertex. Setting them is equal to 0. Set factors equal to 0. Apparently this pen wants everything to be connected today. Stop.
Oh,
Stop.
no.
Angry. There we go.
Angry. Do I sound like a cat?
Alright, so what are your answers for this guy? Are they x values? Are they x or are they y? They're x. So if x is 9 and 3, what is y? 0, because they're intercepts. Good. Yeah? Does that make sense? You okay?
Yeah, I did right.
Yeah.
Coming back to you a little bit?
Oh, man. I've been working
Next.
8 months.
Alright, last part.
A like help, a helper. Oh, A-I-D-E.
Alright.
No, sorry. I promise. You guys are flying with me. It's A.
What do you know on the vertex?
Vertex. Let me tell you. A-H-K.
We got a vertex form is gonna be
Y equals.
oh my
No,
God.
we're not.
Stop it. Pen. Y equals
My sports over. But I made it.
Holly is getting annoyed, let me tell you.
Bring it later. I need to fix that. Oh, no, I don't. They actually said stuff about me babysitting.
This part's gonna be an equation. What's the actual vertex? Equation, coordinate, number, word, coordinate. Okay. This is the one that's opposite of HK. Right? Okay. So, how do we solve for the vertex? You remember? There's two ways. We can average.
Then divide by
Average
two.
what? What are we averaging?
The x intercept.
X-intercept.
Ooh.
Or,
1/2 of b. I'm on
kind of close, opposite of B over
2a.
2A. If you're staring at this form, can we do this one?
Yep.
I know we haven't done that one in fun. Just for fun, dude. What part is that going to give me? So in this guy, we've got opposite of B over 2A. What's the opposite of negative 10?
Positive
10 divided by 2 is?
10.
5. So this guy is 5. How do I figure out what Y is?
Plug it in.
Plug it in.
Plug it in.
Exactly. So what is 5 squared minus 10 times 5 plus 20? And it's not, we did negative 10. What do we make it? 12? Negative 12.
So did I change
So
the
that means
one?
you have to change the 5.
Yes.
What?
So 5 squared is?
No,
You're right.
You gotta change the square.
What is it?
6.
So annoyed. So annoyed. I was all excited that I got to make you guys a worksheet today. But I did not have time to double check.
It's okay, Miss Holly. You don't make mistakes.
It's frustrating. Alright, so 6 squared minus 12 times 6 plus 27.
6 squared is,
6 squared is 36. 12 times 6, 72 plus 27.
Equals
I got negative 9.
Negative 9?
Is that right?
Negative would be right. It has to be a negative. Because this is 50, 63. Yep, makes sense. Okay?
Good job, Garrett.
Okay. Good catch, by the way, with all the stuff we didn't change. Alright, and then what about our equation? How do we find the vertex form?
Opposite of
Opposite of HK. So we already know. We've got, so what's my opposite of H? What's my
6.
6? So negative 6, and then minus 9, and then what do we need to figure out?
A.
We
Wait,
gotta
when is
figure out
spring?
A.
Spring break is the 29th of
Okay.
March.
And how long is it?
Until
So how do you figure out what A is? And then you're done.
April.
Plug in. Run the thing.
The only one we
Plug in one of my coordinates.
So it's
Right? What's one of your roots?
March 20th. That's a Sunday.
9.
Okay, we're about to run Sunday. And then it's the 30th. You said then it's the 30th?
Alright. So 0 equals 9 minus. I'm already jumping to the answer in my head. Oh man. Alright, 9 minus 6 is?
9 minus 6 is 3.
3 squared is?
9.
Ooh, that's nice.
It's 9. I knew it.
No, I got the road. That one.
How do you solve this?
Plus 9.
Add 9 to both sides. So if you have 9 equals A times 9, what do you get?
Divide by 9 and you get 1. It's always 1.
It's not always 1. We've done somewhere it wasn't 1.
Yeah, we did that already. We're not, why would I lie to you? I'm just training.
Right. Right here, shatter.
Alright, so this guy is your actual answer. This guy is your
You're
actual
really rude on Monday.
Cool?
I was the one who was